Hello friends and welcome to Excel in 5 minutes. Today we learn about WAP text. Here I have a sentence but I want to organize. So I have two options. Option number 1, I press on A2 and then I press click right and then format cells and then I press on this tab and WAP text. After this, I press on OK button. Let's do another option, like here, a new guy come. I press on A3 and then Home tab and then I press on WAP text. This is the another option. Okay, let's do the another sentence. A new week has begun. Home and then WAP text. And then I press on this. That's it. Please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.